Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This video is for a cocktail mixer called Leissuremanns. Leissuremanns promotes himself as, let me get it right, I don't want to misquote, the premier traveling cocktail. So what it is, it's a cocktail mixer. So powdered cocktail mixer. This is their, let me see, turn around. So this is their Cosmopolitan. They make an old fashioned, a Daiquiri, a bee's knees, a Margarita, and a Cosmopolitan. I think I got them all. This is really good. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to make their base model of their Cosmopolitan. And if you like this stuff, you can check them out on Leisuremanns.com. Now, understand, I am not paid for this. I did ask for a sample to try it out. This only has 6 grams of carbs per cocktail. It's 1 more gram of carb than I try to stay at, the 5. But you know what, 6, I'll stay with that if it's a good cocktail. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how we build the Leisuremanns Cosmopolitan. So the ingredients you're gonna need are, of course, Leisuremanns Cosmopolitan cocktail mix, local JT Melic vodka. But we're gonna go ahead and build the Leisuremanns Cosmopolitan. Let's get started. So it's pretty simple. The whole concept behind Leisuremanns, it's a traveling cocktail. So what you can do is just bring this with you wherever you go, whether it be an old-fashioned Daiquiri, Margarita, Cosmopolitan, bee's knees. If you're familiar with cocktail, that's basically one of every spirit. Bee's knees, gin, the old-fashioned whiskey. Then you have the Daiquiri, rum, the Margarita, tequila, and of course vodka with the Cosmopolitan. So they basically have one flavor for every type of spirit. So with the Leisuremanns, they give this little nifty little wooden spoon, and the way they say is 6 spoonfuls of Leisuremanns to 1 ounce of water. So I'm gonna put my water in first so we get the ratios exact. So we do 1 ounce of water and 6 spoonfuls of Leisuremann. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now they say let it sit for about 45 to 55 seconds so it dissolves, but I'm one impatient kind of guy. So I'm gonna grab a stir and get this going a little quicker. Now you can build this in your glass, hence traveling cocktail. You can do this, let it sit, it'll dissolve by itself, and it does about a minute, and it completely dissolves. Like I said, I'm impatient and I don't deal with that very well. So I'm gonna stir this up, dissolve it a little bit quicker. And from here, we're gonna add 1 ounce of the Leisuremann Cosmopolitan to 2 ounces of vodka. And of course, if I'm using a Louisiana product as far as Leisuremanns go, I'm gonna use a Louisiana product as for the vodka. 2 ounces of our vodka. So next we're gonna add ice and shake it. All right, add said ice, add the Cosmopolitan mix and the vodka. Now, like I said, you can build it in a glass and you'll be fine and everything will be dandy. Just because I want to be extra like I am, we're gonna go ahead and shake this. And there we go. The next thing you want to do is get yourself a fancy vintage cocktail glass. And strain this into said vintage cocktail glass. Now, on the Cosmopolitan cocktail mix from Leisuremanns, it states that it's a tart berry and sweet citrus. And if you know about Cosmopolitans, that's cranberry juice in orange liqueur. So for a garnish, we're going to do an orange zest. What I always like to do is just get those oils into the cocktail and get a little bit of those oils on the glass. And there you go. The Leissuremanns Cosmopolitan. Let's go ahead and taste this. It tastes like a Cosmopolitan. Like what I find is when I find these mixers, especially the powdered mixers, they really don't taste like the cocktail that they're supposed to be. With Leisuremanns, I've not tried all their other flavors. Their old fashioned, their daiquiri, their bee's knees, their margarita. But I can say this for the Cosmopolitan. It tastes like a Cosmopolitan. I can taste the orange. I can taste the cranberry. I can get all that tart flavor, that citrus flavor that comes from a Cosmopolitan. That's absolutely delicious, guys. So, like I said, they're not paying me. It'd be nice if they would, but they're not. Leisuremanns Cosmopolitan Mix. Like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I don't get any commission off of this or anything like that, honestly. But I do, when I find a local product that I like, I want to share it with everybody here in South Louisiana and anywhere in the world that you can buy this stuff at Leisuremanns.com. And they have all their flavors there. Pick up a little packet of these if you're traveling. Great for an airplane ride if you're traveling for work or something and you want to grab a cocktail on an airplane. Get yourself a bottle of vodka from the flight attendant. Make sure you have some of this with you. Your Cosmopolitan. Guys, this is absolutely delicious. I was actually shocked how close, I wasn't even say close, how damn exact this tastes to a Cosmopolitan. All right, guys, I think I got more in here. A little bit. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and tell me what your favorite cocktail is, and I'll see what I can do to make that low carb for you. All right, guys, y'all have a great day, and because I know I'm going to. All right, see y'all later.